Hello friends, let's solve today some multiple choice questions based on the topic polynomials. Let's have the question. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. The first question is, which of the following is a polynomial? So four options are given over here. The first is x divided by y. Second is x raised to root 2 minus 3x. Third is x raised to minus 2 plus 7. And the fourth is root 2 x square plus 1 by 2. We have to choose which of these is a polynomial. So we have the general form of a polynomial, that is a n x raised to n plus a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2, like this up to a2 x square plus a1x plus a0, where a0 to a1 are any real numbers, x is a variable and n is a positive integer. So if we compare these four expressions given over here, the first is x divided by y. So as we can see here, there are two variables in this expression, x divided by y. That's why it cannot be a polynomial, because to be a polynomial there must be only one variable. So we can eliminate the first one. In the second one, as you can see, x raised to root 2 is there and it cannot be possible for any polynomial. So option B is also not a polynomial. In option C, we have x raised to minus 2. So here x raised to negative number is there, so it cannot be a polynomial. In the last expression, we have root 2 into x square plus 1 by 2. Now here, as we can see, x raised to 2, that is the x raised to positive integer is there. So that's why option D, that is the root 2 into x square plus 1 by 2, is a polynomial. Now one thing we should note here, that the coefficient of x square is root 2, which is irrational number, but that's okay if we have the coefficient of any term in the polynomial. If it is irrational, that's okay, but we must not have the power of x irrational number as it is in the option B. So here alternative D is the correct alternative, that is the expression given in the alternative D is a polynomial. Let's have the next question. What is the degree of the polynomial root 7? 1 by 2, 5, 2 or 0? So here, as we can see, root 7, this is the expression given, and which is a constant polynomial. Now as it is a constant polynomial, it can be written as root 7 into x raised to 0, because no variable is involved in this one. Though it can be written as root 7 into x raised to 0. That means, in another word, we have root 7 into x raised to 0 is 1. So root 7 into 1, that's root 7 again. So no difference is there. That's why if we express root 7 as root 7 into x raised to 0. So as we can see here, the variable x we have used, and in this case the degree of this polynomial will be 0. So D is the correct alternative. Next question is, what is the degree of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x cube plus 7? Options are 3, 2, 5 or 7. We know that the degree of the polynomial, that is nothing but the highest power of the variable it contains. So here three terms are there, 2x square plus 5x cube plus 7. So amongst these, the highest power of x is 3 in the second term. That's why the degree of this polynomial is 3, option A. Next question is, what is the coefficient form of x cube minus 1? So to have the coefficient form of this equation, we have to write this expression, polynomial, that is x cube minus 1, in the coefficient form. For that we have to write this polynomial firstly in the standard form. And if we have to write the polynomial in the standard form, we have to write all the terms in that polynomial in the descending order of power of x. So here the highest power of x is 3. So that should be the first term, x cube. Then after that, x square term should be there, but in this polynomial no x square term is there. So instead of that we can write 0 into x square plus again the x term is also not involved in this polynomial. So instead of that we can write 0x, because 0 into x, that will be 0, and if we add 0 to any polynomial or any expression, it will not make any difference. That's why we have written here 0x square plus 0x, which will not make any difference to the given polynomial. And last is the constant term, that is the minus 1. Now we can write this polynomial in the coefficient form. Now to write this polynomial in the coefficient form, we have to just collect all the coefficients of these terms that are involved in this polynomial. The first term is x cube, so the coefficient of x cube is not given, so it must be 1. So the first term would be 1. Then the coefficient of x square is 0, coefficient of x is again 0, and the constant term is minus 1. So this is the coefficient form of the given polynomial, which is given at alternative C. That's why C is the correct alternative. Let's have the next question. If p of x is given this polynomial, then we have to find the p of 7 root 7. That means we have to find the value of this polynomial for x is equal to 7 root 7, and the 4 alternatives are given. Now if you have to find p of 7 root 7, first of all we should write this polynomial as it is, that is p of x is equal to x square minus 7 into root 7 into x plus 3. Now if we have to find p of 7 into root 7, that means in the given polynomial we have to replace the variable x by 7 root 7. So instead of x square we should write 7 into root 7, that's square, minus 7 root 7 as it is, into the bracket the value of x, that is we have to replace x by 7 into root 7 plus 3. So that is equal to 7 root 7 bracket square. We'll keep this as it is, minus 7 root 7 into 7 root 7. It should be 7 into root 7 bracket square plus 3. Now here plus minus 7 into root 7 bracket square will get cancelled, so as to have the value of this polynomial 3. So p of 7 root 7 is 3, which is given at option A. So option A is the correct alternative. Next question is, when x is equal to minus 1, what is the value of the polynomial 2x cube plus 2x? The options are 4, 2, minus 2 or minus 4. So here also we have to find the value of the given polynomial for x is equal to minus 1. So let us name this polynomial as p of x, and that is equal to 2 into x cube plus 2x. Now here we have to find value of this polynomial for x is equal to minus 1. So we'll replace here x by minus 1, that is equal to 2 into x cube, that is 2 into minus 1 cube, plus 2x, that means 2 into minus 1. So that should be equal to minus 1 cube, that's minus 1, plus minus 2 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative number is there, so the product must be negative 2. 2 into minus 1, that's minus 2, and minus 2 as it is. So minus 2 minus 2, that should be minus 4, which is given at option D. So option D is the correct alternative. Next question is, if x minus 1 is the factor of the polynomial 3x square plus mx, then find the value of m. Options are 2, minus 2, minus 3 or 3. Now here x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So first of all let us name this polynomial, that is p of x is equal to 3x square plus mx. Now as x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial, we have to replace x by 1 in this polynomial. And as x minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial, if we replace x by 1 in the given polynomial, the value of that polynomial must be 0. So if we replace here x, we would get 3 into x square, that is 3 into 1 square, plus m into x, that is m into 1, that is equal to 0. So 1 square is 1 and 1 into 3, that's 3, plus m into 1, again m is equal to 0. If you take this 3 to the right hand side, it will become minus 3, so as to get the value of m minus 3, which is given at option C. So option C is the correct alternative. Let's have the next question. Multiply x square minus 3 into 2x minus 7x cube plus 4 and write the degree of the product. We have to decide what is the degree of the product, 5, 3, 2 or 0. So for that one we have to do the product, that is x square minus 3 into another trinomial is given over 2x minus 7x cube plus 4. So we should multiply each term in the second bracket by each term in the first bracket. So we should first multiply all the terms in the second bracket by x square. So x square into 2x, that should be 2 into x cube minus 7x cube into x square, that should be 7x raised to 5 plus 4 into x square, that's 4x square. Then we have to multiply each term by minus 3. So minus 3 into 2x, that's minus 6x. Now two negative numbers are there, product must be positive. 7 into 3, that's 21 into x cube. Again, one positive, one negative number is there, so product must be negative. 3 into 4, that's 12. Now here we need not to simplify this expression because we just want to find the degree of the product we have here. So if we consider the highest power of x amongst all these terms is 5 as minus 7x raised to 5. Here the highest power is 5, that's why degree of this polynomial or the degree of this product is 5, which is given at option A. So option A is the correct alternative. And finally we have another question. Which of the following is a linear polynomial? So 4 polynomials are given over here: x plus 5, x square plus 5, x cube plus 5 and x raised to 4 plus 5. We know that to be a linear polynomial, the degree of that polynomial must be 1. So if we consider all the 3 remaining polynomials at option B, C and D, we can observe the degrees of these polynomials are greater than 1. That means for the second polynomial degree is 2, for the third polynomial degree is 3 and for the last polynomial degree is 4. Only first polynomial is there, that is x plus 5, where degree of this polynomial is 1. That is the highest power of the variable in this polynomial is 1. That's why x plus 5 is a linear polynomial. So here alternative A is the correct alternative. So these are some multiple choice questions based on the concept polynomials. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.